Today we are going to unbox a card reader from SanDisk ImageMate Pro Type C. Let's dive into the video. This is the card reader. You can see it can support CompactFlash, it can support microSD, it can support UHS-I card speed. So you can use any UHS-I card that it can support that speed also. So we can let's open the box and see what are the content inside. So this is the box for ImageMate Pro SanDisk USB card reader. So this is the card reader itself. You can see that glossy finish. So I can fill this up. Let's see what inside. So you have this one. You have this. In the box they have given USB Type C cable, but you can use USB or disk cable to connect to the PC. In your laptop, if you have USB Type C port, just directly use this cable to connect to the. So nothing inside this box. No warranty card, no manual. Okay, this is our card reader. Feel from this. Okay, this is the card reader. See, CF card slot, micro SD and SD. You can see that one. So yeah, USB to Type C. If your PC does not have a Type C port, just use USB Type C adapter. I can post you how to connect to the PC and my review time. So this is the card reader. You can see glossy finish here. It's nice finish. See SanDisk logo. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos.